everyone, it's Gillian, and in today's slime video we are going to be making the most amazing DIY cupcake slime. And I've been wanting to make a slime inspired by cupcakes for so long, so I'm so excited for today's video. And this is going to be a cloud cream like texture slime, so I'm super excited about it. Also, I just want to remind you guys that I am holding my slime giveaway over on my Instagram, where I am giving away 4 slimes created by me to one person. So if you would like to check that out, head over to my Instagram, which is at Gillian_Bauer. And with all that being said, I think it's time that we jump into the video and start making some slime. So the first thing I'm making is a little cherry to go on top of our cupcake inspired slime, and I'm just making mine out of oven bake clay. Now if you don't have oven bake clay, you could totally use a red bead or something like that instead, but I just think it's a cute little extra to pop on top of our cupcake inspired slime, and it makes it look so cute. So now moving on to the actual cupcake slime. To a bowl, add a bottle of PVA school glue, and now it's time to color our slime like a cupcake. So I mixed a few different colors together. I added some yellow and then a slightly orange color, and then I think brown, and I'm pretty sure that's it. Is that all the colors I added? I think so, but I just mixed it all together until I got that amazing cupcake batter color. And then it's time to go in with some activator, and the activator I use is 1 cup of warm water with half a teaspoon of borax mixed together. Then you can totally add a scent. I forgot to add this earlier, that's why I'm adding it now, but I just added this cookies and cream scent, and it made my slime smell so amazing. And then I'm just continuing along with activating the slime, and with this slime it's okay to over activate it because we're going to be adding a fake snow, and that tends to melt the slime a little bit, so I always like to over activate it. Now to give our slime that amazing cloud cream texture, just take some instant snow powder and add a little bit of this to the slime and start mixing it in. Now we're not going to be activating our snow powder, we're just adding the straight powder to the slime and mixing it. And what I found with this slime is you really need to work the snow powder in each time you add it, and just keep working with it, and you should see the texture of the slime start to change. And also while you're doing this, you might find that your slime will start to become a bit sticky. That's just because the snow powder starts to melt the slime, so just go ahead and add a little bit more activator just to make sure that your slime isn't like incredibly sticky and hard to work with. So a super cute way to display this cupcake slime is to grab a container and just place some of the cupcake batter slime in the bottom of the container, and then take a little extra bit and put a little swirl so it kind of looks like frosting. And then I'm just using these clay sprinkles to sprinkle on top because I love cupcakes with sprinkles, and they just add a pop of color. And then of course just popping on the clay cherry that we made earlier, and then you have your amazing and totally Instagrammable cupcake inspired slime. It's so cute. It smells amazing, and I am obsessed with it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun making it. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see new videos from me. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!